Hey guys, welcome back to Lapse Aquatics. I have another great video for you guys. This is part 2 of the first video that I posted. If you guys did not see that, I suggest you go see that video first and then come back to this one. This video is going to be showing you the albino koi red-eared guppies that I've been growing out in my 3-gallon tank. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and press that bell notification to stay up to date on the latest video. And now to the video. For the first week that I was feeding the guppy fry, I've been feeding them first bites from Hikari. Then afterwards I will feed them flake food as they get older.
In the depths of my soul, there's a symphony of sound. Breeding fish, my hobby. It's where my peace is found. Watch a new life emerge, a miracle in the tank. I won't stop this journey till I walk the legends break. In the water so deep where the shadows do creep, my fish, they swim and dance. In this world I find release with every fin that flutters in every gill that breathes. I'm building my legacy, one bubble at a time. You see, diving deep, I'm lost in the abyss, finding solace in this underwater bliss. Breeding fish, my heart takes flight in this greedy rock realm. I'll conquer the night. Breeding fish, my heart takes flight in this greedy rock realm. I'll conquer the night.
Now that these guppies have gained their color and are big enough that I can put them with their parents, I decided to put them all together and let them grow out. So now I have 11 females and 3 males. So I'm gonna have a big production of these guppies in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, press that bell notification for any up-to-date video that I post.